Hello and welcome back. If your WordPress website uses the WPBakery Page Builder plugin, stop what you are doing and watch this. A critical vulnerability has been disclosed that allows authenticated attackers, even a contributor, to inject malicious scripts into your WordPress website. This is a massive security risk, but the fix is simple. Before we look into the fix, there are few points I need to discuss. The flow is in insufficient input sanitization in the custom JavaScript module. It allows for cross-site scripting, also known as XSS. So, who is affected here? Any WordPress site running WP Bakery versions up to 8.6.1. And what can happen? Malicious code can be executed, leading to session hijacking, redirects, or even data theft. So, what is the solution here? It's very simple. You just need to go to WordPress dashboard, plugins, install plugins, and wherever you see the update for WP Bakery, just click on the update. If you are using the plugin from a theme author or theme bundle, you might need to connect with the theme author. All right. So once you update the plugin to the latest version, and the latest version should be at least 8.7, check your site. If you are on the latest version, you are safe. If not, update immediately. Security patches are not optional. There is one additional tip I would like to share with you. Always use a security plugin, limit user roles, and always keep backups. All right. So this was the quick video about WP Bakery Security Flow. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more web development tricks and tips. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Keep coding and I will see you in the next video.